How to change password in Evernote. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your password in Evernote. So just follow through to the end of this video. And the first thing to do is to log in into your Evernote account, just like I have done here. You can log in into your Evernote account by logging in on the web or by downloading the application on your PC. Whichever way, just ensure you create an account and you're logged in. And then once you've logged in and you want to change your password, the next thing for you to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu, all right, such as the home option, shortcuts, note, tags, notebooks, etc. And then you move to the top part of the menu where you can see your name be displayed. Once you see it, click on it. Then once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, choose account info, and then you'll be directed to your account summaries page automatically. Then once you're on this page, the next thing for you to do is to scroll down until you are under the security tab. Under the security tab, click on security summary, and then you'll be taken to the security summaries page. On this page, you'll see your email address, password, and then two-step verification. Then you'll see change email under the email option, and then change password under the password option. So all you need to do is to click on change password, and then to change your password, input the correct password in the box displayed. Then input a new password, click on confirm your new password, and then click update. Once you do that, the password will be changed automatically. It is that simple. Okay, so go ahead and change the password of your Evernote account today. Thanks for watching.